fail?
Maybe passed.
You are that close to pass. Why you went too far behind?
2 car length. 2 car length.
Next roundabout, take second left. He used left indicator on the approach to take second exit on the left. As no one was waiting at the first exit, it may not be marked a serious fault. Listen the instruction carefully. If you are taking second exit on the left, do not use indicator on the approach, but when you are in front of first exit, so your intention should be very clear. Could have gone after this first car, as second car was at quite distance. Serious fault for undue hesitation. Again, undue hesitation. This time, even he had priority, still waiting for oncoming traffic. As I have marked serious fault already for undue hesitation, I will not mark that again. You can take 2 car length space for this maneuver.
Okay.
When you're ready. He did very well so far, but then at the end he kept reversing a lot more than 2 car length space, which can be serious fault in your driving test. Thank you. Drive on when you're ready. In meeting traffic situation, quite few time you could have gone, but you keep waiting. At one point, even people start overtaking you.
Yeah.
What was the situation there? Do you remember where car overtook you?
Yeah. I stopped.
What was happening in front of you? How many car was parked and which side?
Both side.
Both sides.
Yeah.
So if both sides are blocked, who have priority?
No one is there.
No one have priority.
Yeah.
But both car was not parallel to each other. First,
Yeah.
your side was blocked, and then little bit further, their side was blocked. The first car, when you approached there, the first car had a quite good distance. You did not even need to stop. You could overtake your side of the car and you could come back to your side, and then their side was blocked.
Yeah.
So they have to wait. You are doing undue hesitation. At one point, even you stop, your side was clear and their side was blocked and you stop. So it's not like you are learners, so you have to stop always.
If I have a priority, so I need to go.
First thing, you need to check priorities. Who have priority?
Yeah.
Second thing, if you don't have priority, then you need to check how far they are and how fast they are coming. Do you have enough time to overtake and come back to your side before they come any closer and brake for you? That's fine, then you have gone.
Yeah.
Then you have to go.